welcome back to Linux Wednesdays. In today's video we're looking at a nice simple GIMP tutorial on how to remove objects from your images. And the version of GIMP I'm using is version 2.10.24. Let's open up an image. And there we go. What I want to do, I want to remove the background and have this here as a transparent image. Let me zoom in. Let's do it 200%. There you go. Now what I can do now is click on the top corner and drag it across. So let's go across. Zoom out a bit. Drag it across to the other side. Click on the mouse. Drag it across to the bottom. Click the mouse. Click the mouse on the other side and go right to the end. Now if you've got, say, a face you want to cut out, you can keep clicking the mouse and go around the face. If you've got a square like I'm doing here, just click on one corner, drag it across the other corner and then click it. And as we complete the square, you'll see there it turns like a yellowy colour. You'll see there now we've got what they call marching ants around the side. So if I go to 67, now I want to remove this background here. If I press on select and go invert, and I can now do a Control X, or if you're on a Macintosh use Apple X. You see there it's removed the background, but what I want is this as a transparent image, because if I save it as a transparent image, you'll see you get this and you'll get this background. If I press edit, go undo cut, we're going to press on layer, and go transparency, we're going to go add alpha channel. Now we do a Control X, and you'll see there it's now made the background transparent. So I can now do a file, and we're going to export it as, going to call it, I don't know, box.png, and it goes to my desktop. Go export, and go export. And it's now exported that as a PNG to my desktop, and there's the one I've just created, the box. There we go. When I open it up in the GIMP, do new, on there, and we open it up. We're going to go open as layers. We go down, we can find our box.png. You'll see there, it's now got the transparent background. I can then resize it and do what I need to do to it. So I right click and we're going to go scale. I can now resize it. I can now move it around on the screen. Go scale there. I can, let's make it a bit bigger. Go scale. And I can then do a 3D perspective if I wanted to, something like that. That looks alright, doesn't it? And we go transform. And that's basically how to cut things out of an image. You can make a transparent background of any image you want. You can zoom in by using the down arrow here. Zoom in. Let's go make it a bit smaller. Let's do 200. And you go corner to corner and go around your image. Once you've done that, you can then do your invert image and add your alpha channel. That was a very simple tutorial on how to remove things, remove background images, remove things from images in GIMP. If you found the video some use and know what to do, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, the other button seems to work too. But as always, thank you very much for watching Linux Wednesdays and this simple GIMP tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.